Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to enable camera and microphone access in Google Chrome. Click Site Information, click Site Settings. Enable camera and microphone. You can delete camera and microphone. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.